My name is Angeline Bragape. I'm Anishinaabe, originally from Kitigan-Zibi and Batchewana First Nation. Bocuse d'Or is the culinary Olympics of the world. It is a place you can showcase your skills as a country. On Team Canada, I am the support assistant extern. Team Canada's biggest strength is we get along and we complement one another, but we also push each other. As an Indigenous woman, it means representing my community and my people. A lot of my accolades I owe to the Indigenous women of Canada. That's why I do what I do. I always reflect on the history of Canada and what my people went through. So for me, it's important that I'm able to show Indigenous youth throughout Canada that no matter what you want to do, you can go get it. It means challenging yourself, pushing yourself, but also getting back up and doing it again and again. It's everything I strive to be.